So this clip type is already in the market 20 years?
Yeah, yes.
So this is a clip type of LVP. The thickness is a 5 mm and it's made in Korea. And then on top there is a one coating called antibacterial coating. Can use 10 years. Normal cutter is okay?
Normal cutter.
So have to stretch how many times?
2 times. Yeah.
So we don't require any special tools here. Honpo carry on this products made in Korea, and then inside have a one layer of fiberglass. So this fiberglass is actually prevents expand and contrast. Some people ask me whether it's a hot and cold, you will be expand or not, shrink or not. The answer is yes, it shrink, but the rate is very little. Some people just make like this cup, and then they make from here, right? Usually, some people just like do like this, and then take away this and put the gap like here. But it's not necessary. Wooden one, you must do that. So we make a little bit different, yeah? Purposely we make zigzag, okay? Zigzag. Fill in, and at the same time, you also have to put in the other side. Advisable, use this kind of a rubber hammer, yeah? See, this one is normal, this one. So this is a pretty easy job you can do yourself at the home. You move away all the furnitures away, and then you do this part and then bring back and do the other part. And you see he trying to utilize all the leftover piece. Many people actually doesn't bother to utilize all these things. They just use the new one, and then in the end you have to waste a lot. We do all the way until the end. The end's a little bit challenge, is it? Teacher teach us how to do it. We have to cut of this, and then this part is going to be there. Very important is this point right here, mark. Just now remember here, just nice, right? We see here big gap.